This is a tutorial video and overview of our employers directory. In the next few minutes, we will cover all the features of the directory and how to navigate it. If you're interested in any particular part, you can jump to the specific times displayed now. We created our employers directory with the goal of helping you deep dive employers, learn about all the key elements like jobs, programs, and application processes, so you can decide if they are right for you. Additionally, we also designed our directory to help introduce you to employers that could be a great fit for what you're looking for, but may not yet be on your radar, to make sure that you know all the options before you're making a decision. Our directory contains around 1,500 employers, all of which recruit and hire MBAs, which you can search and filter through using various criteria. On top of that, we also provide you with our industry reports that give an additional holistic perspective on any industry which may be of interest to you, while maintaining the focus on MBAs. So, if you're looking to learn more about your favorite employers, or just take a step back and find the one that's the right fit for you, we've got you covered. You can access the Employers directory through the top navigation by hovering over the Employers tab, then clicking on Search Employers. You can search for employers through various criteria, or view your favorite employers by clicking this button on the right. After performing a search, the number of matching employers will be displayed on the left. Next to that, you will also be able to order your search results. Each employer thumbnail will contain the company logo, industries, a short description, and some tags. You can hover over each tag for more details and add any employer to your favorites by clicking on the star on the top left. To view the full employer profile, click on either the employer logo or image. The right column of each profile contains key details about the employer, such as the industries it operates in, any subsidiaries, links to their main website, career website, and social media, tags, their stock symbol and market cap if they are publicly traded, how many people they employ, and other companies that operate in the same industries. You can also add the employer to your favorites by clicking the button in the top right. The overview section was designed to do just that, to give you a general look at the employer so you can get a better sense if they're the right fit for you, or how to approach them if you're interested. Additionally, we have heard directly from recruiters and program directors at various companies that many times promising candidates don't make it to the end of their recruitment process simply because they have a lack of knowledge or show a lack of enthusiasm about the company itself. So we want to make sure that you're up to date on all aspects. We start with a brief description of the company, and then some interesting facts which we fill in by hand, sourced directly from recruiters or first-hand research. Following that, we have a word cloud based on the missions and values of the employer. This can be a great resource when writing a cover letter, as it contains much of the employer's commonly used language. Below that, we have the timeline, which contains the latest news articles and publications from or about the employer, with duplicates filtered out by us. Next is the recruitment process, which will give you a general idea on what to expect when applying there, and in some cases will contain sample questions and assessments. Note, this can vary slightly based on which role and department you're applying for. Following that, we have the latest videos from the company's social media as well as its headquarter address. Also, if the company is publicly traded, you will also see its stock information and a list of various financials for the past few years. The Development Programs tab contains all the development programs currently offered by the employer, specifically for MBAs. Each program thumbnail contains the program title, the beginning of the program description, the focus area, and the location of the program. You can access the full program page by clicking on the title. For more detailed information on development programs, please watch our development program video. The Job Stats section was designed to show you where the employer has recently been recruiting MBAs. It's broken up into three main parts: globally, by country, and a more detailed job search. The global part helps give insights into where in the world the company has been the most active in recruiting MBAs. On the left is an interactive map showing the number of MBA jobs which were posted by the company in each country over the past 6 months. This is supported by the adjacent chart showing the percentage distribution in each region. Below that, you can narrow the recruitment activity by country, which can be selected through the drop-down menu. Again, we have an interactive map showing the number of MBA jobs, but broken down by region in the country. We also have a chart showing the job areas and a list of the current most popular jobs in the country. Finally, you can search through the employer's job history. This gives more details into which jobs the employer has been recruiting for the past 6 months, and when the jobs were posted, in what locations, and for what job areas. This can be especially helpful when looking at recruitment trends, as many employers' open roles can vary a lot during different times of the year. The Events tab contains all past and present events on our platform in which the employer has participated. The events can either be school-specific events which the employer attended or dedicated events hosted by the employer themselves. Note that your access to specific events can vary depending on your school and/or which degree you are pursuing. The International Student Hiring tab is part of our visa sharing program. Our visa sharing program is based on shared information from participating schools and contains various students who have successfully been hired to international positions. Each thumbnail will contain the job title, location, and start date of the job, as well as the person's nationality, work experience, diploma, graduation date, and whether a work permit was needed and which permit was applied for. Please note this tab will only be visible if your school is participating in the visa sharing program and if the employer has sponsored visas. The H-1B tab is part of our annual H-1B sponsorship report and is a great resource if you're interested in working in the USA. The H-1B is a work visa that allows U.S. employers to hire foreign workers for specialty jobs that require at least a bachelor's degree or equivalent. Every year, we perform an in-depth analysis of the H-1B data sourced directly from the U.S. Department of Labor. We filter out all non-business related applications and present you with the results in a more digestible format. Please note that this tab will only be visible if the employer has previously sponsored H-1B visas. The first section is a general overview containing the top job titles, locations, salaries, and focus areas for the most recent H-1B applications by the employer for business professionals. Below that is a complete H-1B data for the company, already filtered for MBA level positions, all the way back to 2015. You can further filter this data by year, job title, job area, and location. Please note that the full H-1B database containing all employers is available in our international section through our country guides. You can access our industry reports through the top navigation by hovering over the Employers tab, then clicking on Industry Reports. Our industry reports were designed to help give you more insights into any industries of interest, as well as to make you more aware of other employers who hire MBAs and are active participants in those industries. You can deep dive any industry or sub-industry by clicking their title on the thumbnail. Our industry reports are laid out in a similar fashion and contain many similar elements to the employer profiles. You can see the number of employers participating in the industry, as well as which tags apply to them, and how popular the industry is among other candidates on the platform. This is followed by the current top employers in those industries, as well as which companies have been recently trending upwards in popularity. Below that, we have the latest news articles and press releases for the employers in the industry. Next, we have an interactive map showing the number of companies in each country that have hired MBAs in the past 6 months, which you can hover over for more details. Next to that, we have an overview by region. Following that, we have an overview by country where you can see the most popular employers and job areas in each country. Lastly, we have the current top jobs and top development programs for each industry. This concludes the tutorial video for our Employers Directory. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at helpline@mba-exchange.com.